Ever wondered how garment factories save fabric? It all starts with marker making today. Marker making means arranging pattern pieces efficiently before cutting fabric in production lines. Every pattern piece gets positioned carefully to reduce fabric waste and production costs. Better marker efficiency saves money, fabric, time, and improves factory profitability every single day. Most factories now use advanced CAD software for faster, highly accurate marker planning. Multiple garment sizes are combined together for maximum fabric utilization during cutting operations. Stripe and check fabrics require precise matching for a clean, professional appearance always. Correct grain direction ensures garments keep shape, strength, comfort, and proper fitting throughout. Intelligent nesting software finds the best layout within just a few seconds, automatically. Factories measure marker efficiency percentage to evaluate fabric usage and cutting performance accurately. Finished markers are printed or sent directly to automated cutting machines for production. Marker guides the fabric spreading and cutting process with exceptional speed and precision daily. Automated cutters follow marker layouts exactly, producing consistent garment parts every single time perfectly. Accurate marker making reduces defects, improves quality, and minimizes expensive production mistakes significantly. Marker making transforms smart planning into profitable garment production. Subscribe for more factory secrets.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.